What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the look a review of this smartwatch right here that I basically got on Amazon. So it basically comes in this package. So this smartwatch can basically answer calls and such like that. So I'm just going to show you guys what's inside the package. I did do an unboxing of it already. This is the watch right here. So this is the watch. So basically what comes inside the package, we have the charger and those little template. So inside the package, as you can see, I did the unboxing of it already. So we have some connectivity here sheet where you can scan to basically use with your phone and such like that. So basically what I want to go through now is the watch right here. So once the watch is basically charged up, it basically can answer phone call. So this is one of the best watch that I think of within this price range that you can basically find on Amazon. So as you can see right here, we have the apps looking like that right there, so you can navigate into different apps right here. So this is screensaver. So to access message or notification, we can basically slide up like that. As you can see, there's a message icon right there, and also we can see different settings on it right there, as you can see. So basically we can adjust the brightness and things like that. You can answer call, so we can see a call icon right here. Once you connect to your phone, you can access your contacts and things like that. So we have different view, different settings. So this is basically great in if you want to connect it to your phone, and so you can the call icon right here. So you can basically call someone on this phone right here. It has speakers that built into it right here, as you can see. So you can basically talk to it. And the thing that I also love about this watch, it has fitness tracker that can basically track your fitness, your step, your heart rate, your sleep monitoring system, and things like that. As you can see, guys, looking great. And you can also adjust it to your liking. This is the watch right here on my arm, which is looking pretty neat.